Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc electronics organizer. It's a travel case for test and try. So this is a water resistant travel bag cable organizer for essentials or other things. So the first impression is a nice look, very nicely built, nice color combination. There is a two zipper set here, so one zipper in here. So just put in your small stuff and then a big zipper on the top, so this will hold your all the cable, and this also have a small zipper inside with the net or the mesh thing. So this is particularly to store all your cables and the adapters or the chargers in one place, so that it will be more organized, and then you can just put one thing in your travel case and not have to worry about stuff. So you can see like the waterproof material inside or the linings, and then you can just put in your chargers and USB drive or any other daily items, and then just take it with you. So basically it can hold a lot of cables and the stuff in here, and then all your essentials, so that it's pretty much easy to put in one place. So I'm just putting some of the random stuff in here so that I can show you the space and the quality here. This also can put on the other cables or your passport or like whatever you want to put in here. And then it's really handy. It's a strap here and then also the back strap. So it's pretty handy, and you can just put it in your luggage or the bag and just take it with you. So this is a medium size because they have two zippers, and then it's usually for the laptop users.